Well, good morning. Get yourself a cup of coffee. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my workshop this morning. Those of you who've been following my videos, you kind of lost track of me the last week. I have been sick since last Friday. So I am finally getting over that. More or less, but that's all right. We're going to go with the more. So anyways, nothing a little coffee can't fix. Today is Friday, so I got sick last Friday. So I fell behind in my comments. You guys almost didn't get a video this week on Wednesday. So I pulled out one from my archives from ice fishing back in 2022. And we shared cleaning the fish, which is educational, and that's what this channel is all about. I do throw in some fun videos every now and then as far as my lifestyle, stuff like that. But the whole reason I built this channel or started this channel almost 5 years ago was to share knowledge. Even you guys sharing knowledge with me, it works both ways. So I just try to put out there as much as I can share. I primarily started this channel for my grandsons. There's 4 of them. And that's why we're doing this video today. Today is an exciting day for me. I am getting ready for tomorrow. The boys are coming over. And we're gonna spend the day down here at the shop, over at the fire pit. We're setting up for trapping season and deer season. All that stuff is not that far around the corner now. So anyways, tomorrow we're going to be dyeing traps, waxing traps, all of that stuff. I got into trapping, like I said in an earlier video, because of bear trapping and all of that. But my grandsons have taken a liking to it and really interested in it. And I want to share as much as I can of the outdoor experience with them, and learning new skills. We're never too old to learn new skills. So they'll have some. The youngest, I would say youngest one, but he's the youngest one that's able to go hunting and fishing now. But he's 8 years old. He'll turn 9 in October. He's showing a real interest in this. So if he sticks with it, he will have some hellacious stories to tell when he's my age. And he's kind of that way. So I'm really pleased that he's taken an interest in this trapping and hunting. So tomorrow he's coming over anyways. All 4 of them are, and we're going to make a day of it. So today's just an exciting day for that. So I'm going to bring you along. I got a couple things to do prep-wise, all that. So we're going to take care of that today. Today I've got some new traps. They're the Duke 550 Pro Series. So I'm going to, they come coated in oil. They're all made legal now, as far as legal for the state of Maine. So what I've got to do first is I need to wash them in hot water and some Dawn dish liquid to get all the oil off the trap. So that's where we're going to start today, is getting the oil off the traps. And then I am going to put another pot on that has vinegar in it. And so what I've got to do is let them set overnight after I've dipped everything into white vinegar. And that will give a nice healthy rust on it. So tomorrow when we dye the traps, the dye will have something to stick to on the traps. And then after that we'll wax them, hang them up, and then they'll be ready for trapping season. What we're going to start trapping at first is, and I know it's one of the hardest things there is to trap, but that's just the way the trapping season is here in the state of Maine. So kind of going to do the cod that we've been dealt, which is coyotes and fox. That is opening day of coyote and fox here in the state is October 15th. So I wish it was the other way around and maybe some other species would be ready, but they don't open up the rest of the stuff until the end of October, first of deer season. So that's the cod that we've been dealt. So that's the card that we're going to play. It would be a lot nicer if muskrat season was open. That would be a whole lot of fun for getting the boys started. The same thing with the beavers. It would be nice if beaver trapping started on the 15th. I'm new to it all, so I don't really quite understand, other than I know it has something to do with the pelt and all that. But there's a whole lot of other states that do trapping, and their trapping seasons start a whole lot earlier than ours and last a whole lot longer than ours. So I have more to think it has to do with politics than the quality of the fur. It's just the way it is here in the state of Maine. So otherwise than that, I don't see why trapping season couldn't open up the 1st of October. And especially if you're a meat trapper. There's no money in the fur right now from what I've been told and gathered. So I don't really, I'm not really after the hides. We're going to keep the hides and we're going to do things with them. But what I've been told and seen, I guess there's not really any money in the hide right now. So... And I've always all about the meat, so I'm going to be a meat trapper more than a fur trapper. So, but anyways, that's my day today. That's my everything. So just wanted to bring you along. I'm going to do a video here in a minute on this four-wheeler. There's a couple of things that I need, and basically education and somebody to point me in the right direction, because there's a couple of parts that I need and I'm having trouble locating them. So I will get on to that. And if you're seeing this video and you're watching us for the first time, throw me a bone. Subscribe to the channel. That's a big help to this channel. Subscribing, hit the like button. Everything we need to let YouTube know that you guys like the content that's on this channel. And for those of you that have been watching for a long time, we just crossed 600 videos. By the time that you see this video, the 600 video will have come and gone. So that's pretty good. I had no intentions at the beginning of ever creating 600 videos. So here we are, we're at 600 videos. So subscribe to the channel, have some fun with it. If you do want to help to get behind this channel and maybe help support it a little bit financially, I have a Patreon channel that you can get in there, and for $5 a month, there's a whole bunch of videos in there that you can watch too, as well as just helping to push on the message of this channel that it's never too late to learn some skills and share knowledge and all of that. And that's what the YouTube channel is about, and the Patreon channel. So I will put a link in the bottom of this video at this point for a link to the Patreon channel. Come on over and see. I mean, there's I don't know, I think there's 100 videos over there now, and not all of them are just for Patreon. I have quite a few marked for free. So you can go in and watch those videos and enjoy the Patreon channel as much as you enjoy the YouTube channel. So have a last sip of coffee with me. We're going to end this video here, and I will see you next week.